Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to convert these percents to fractions. So we're going to start by converting the percent to a decimal. And to do that, we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So I'm going to take 23.6 and I'm going to move it 2 places to the left here. And I'm going to place the decimal point here. So we've got 0, this is equal to, as a decimal, 0.236. Okay. My last non-zero digit here goes out to the thousands place. So I'm going to write 236 over 1,000. Okay, so now we do have it as a fraction, but we also want to simplify it. So 236 over 1,000. Now I notice the last two numbers here end in, well, 36 is divisible by 4, so this entire number is divisible by 4, as is 1,000. So we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 4. And I know on the bottom here we're going to get 250. And let's do 236 divided by 4. So 236, divide that by 4. 4 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. Bring down the 6. 4 goes into 36 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So we're going to put 59 up here. Now we have to think, well, what is 59 divisible by? So it's not divisible by 2 because it's not even. 9 plus 5 equals 14. That's not divisible by 3. It won't be divisible by 4. Won't be divisible by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 and a 0. Because it's not divisible by 2 and 3, it's not divisible by 6. 7 doesn't go, it's not divisible by 7. It's not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 9, by 10, or 11. So I think this is about as far as we can go. So we're going to leave it as 59 over 250 and move to the next one. I'll just make some room here. Okay, so we've got 48%. We're going to move the decimal point, which is here, 2 places to the left. That's going to be 0.48 as a decimal, which we can write, because the last digit that is not 0 is in the hundredths place, we can write it as 48 over 100. 48 and 100 are both divisible by 4. But if you didn't know that, you could start dividing by 2 and then just divide by 2 again. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 12 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, and 12. 25 is divisible by 1 and 25 and 5. So this is as simplified as we can get this one. Okay, next one. We got 57.2%. We're going to start by moving the decimal place 2 places to the left and placing it here. So as a decimal, this is 0.572. The last non-zero digit is in thousands place. So I'm going to write this as 572 over 1,000. Let's see, 72 is divisible by 4, so 572 is divisible by 4, as is 1,000. So again, I'm dividing by 4 a lot. You don't always do this, but again, you could divide by 2 because these are both even, and then see that you could divide by 2 again. Okay, so the bottom here is going to be 250. And then we'll do the top. So we'll do 572 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 5. Or 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 7. 4 goes into 17 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. We're going to have a 1 here. Bring down the 2. So it's going to be 143. I lost a little room there. So 143, it's not an even number, not divisible by 2, 4, 6, any of those. let's see, the digits add to 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. That's not divisible by 3, not divisible by 9, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11. And so I think we're going to leave this as 143 over 250. Okay, I'm going to just make some room here, move this stuff out of the way, and we'll do our last one. All right, so this last one here, we have 18%. We're going to put our decimal point here and then move 2 places to the left to change this first to the decimal 0.18. The last non-zero number is in the hundredths place, so I can write this as 18 over 100. These are both even numbers, so I'll start by dividing by 2 from both the top and the bottom. And I get 9 and 50, 9 over 50. Now 9 is divisible by 1, 3, and 9. 50 is not divisible by 3 or 9, so we're going to leave it as 9 over 50. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. Also, if you want to, I'll leave a link to my TeacherPay teacher store in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.